Hi guys, it's Miss Abby. Today I'm going to show you a quick and simple way to roll and store your t-shirts. So let's start with a plain t-shirt. It doesn't matter if you have the front side up or back side up, as long as it's flat in front of you. I prefer to have the collar and the sleeves closer to myself to begin with. We're going to start by folding in the sleeves, just so that the edges line up straight. And then we're going to fold the shirt in half, and then in half once more, and then we roll from one end to the other. There we go, a rolled t-shirt. One more time with the collar facing towards you. Sleeves in, lined up. Fold in half, and half again, and then roll. You can do the same thing to roll a long sleeve shirt. Fold the sleeves in, so that the edges are roughly lined up. Fold the shirt in half, bottom to top, in half once more, and then you just roll. One more time with the collar towards you. Fold the sleeves in, fold the shirt in half again, and then roll. There we go. So that's t-shirt rolling. What I really like about this method is that it's quick, it's easy, the rolled t-shirts are nice and compact, they don't take up a lot of space, and they stack really well together, which makes them really great for storing in drawers. Remember, fold the sleeves in, fold the shirt in half again, and then roll from one end to the other. If you think that this could be a helpful method to you, give it a try.